On 2011 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then here's your battery here right on the driver's side with your positive terminal here and your negative here. And you can also double check these on the battery itself because there'll be a plus sign right there and a negative sign over here. But next I check for any corrosion built up that needs cleaned off with a good rag or brush for these terminals. And then next I'd make sure these are nice and tight, so tighten these up if you need. But once that's done, with the jump box or your jumper cables, you'll connect the metal clamp straight to the metal here for the positive, and the negative neutral, the clamp straight to this metal. And if you're jumping it from another car, make sure you've got a positive running directly to the positive on the other car and your negative directly to the negative on the other car. Just because even if you get them crossed accidentally for a few seconds, sometimes that can cause significant damage to computer systems, fuses, relays, things like that. Make for a bad day. But once you have them connected and the other vehicle running and for a few minutes or so, hopefully that gets you enough power to get this started. And if that still hasn't worked, if you need to get a new battery, fortunately this is accessible pretty easily. You just have to detach this, loosen these connections so you can pull the old battery out, set your new battery in, and then just retighten everything up. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.